As you may have heard me mention, I work with a local nonprofit in the area that serves the recovery and sobriety community in Green Valley, Arizona. So whenever I get my paper pumpkin box, I start evaluating the kit for how I can turn it into sobriety themed cards. So I thought I'd go through a couple of things that I look for when I'm making cards for our bookstore. First, I like to stay with the AA and Alanon slogans for cards, and I look for card kits like the kindness kit that fit well within those themes. Things like pass it on, one day at a time, kindness, friendship. And I also like to customize cards to fit sobriety chips. Here is one way that I do that. I use a die cut to create a larger circle, and then I just make a little pocket on the front of just a regular card. And it works really nicely as a place for a person to store their chip as well as display it at home. My favorite sentiments for sobriety cards include happy birthday, congratulations, celebrate, and one day at a time. All of these are commonly accepted ways to celebrate somebody's milestone, and luckily they're very common sentiments in stamp sets and easy to get a hold of. This month's paper pumpkin didn't have a happy birthday stamp, so I sourced one from one of my stash. Picking a theme is easy. Just make sure that there's enough room for people to sign so when the card gets passed around at a meeting, a lot of people can have room to put their names and well wishes, including maybe adding a piece of paper to the inside to make an extra surface for people to sign on. Common symbols in sobriety are coffee, stepping stones, pink clouds, and just other faith-based themes. These are widely recognized symbols that people associate with sobriety. Pink clouds symbolize the euphoria people feel when they first get sobered. Stepping stones is a reference to the founder, and coffee is just something that is ubiquitous throughout meetings and events. Don't forget, if you're selling cards with Stampin' Up products, you need to make sure and include a Stampin' Up angel policy stamp on the back of the cards that you're selling. This is just to let people know that the products that you've used are copyrighted by Stampin' Up and can't be reproduced without their permission. Here's a set of stamps that's going to be available on May 3rd with the new catalog release, and every year they release a new limited edition stamp set like this that is convenient and easy to use. We do art classes at our Alano Club every month, and the paper pumpkin kits are a really convenient and easy way to organize an event that any level of crafter can do. This month is going to include a $25 gift certificate contest so that there will be some random winners chosen. In Color is a palette of 5 colors that are a new release for 2022, 2023, and so that is what this is celebrating. And in fact, they just released information about a new sign up bonus. If you sign up between May 3rd and May 31st, you will end up with a set of free In Color products in addition to the $125 worth of products that you choose for only $99. It's a really incredible deal. I'm totally jealous. I wish I was a new demonstrator. Contact me today if you would like more information about it, or if you have any questions about making sobriety themed cards. I'd be happy to point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching. Let's keep in touch.